Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm a fibre artist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to finish off your woven wall hanging. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will want to finish off your weave using tabby weave, making sure it's nice and straight. Tie a double half hitch to every warp thread. To do this, take your matching wool and lay over the top of the warp thread, wrap over and through the loop. Pull down and repeat twice on each warp thread. This will help when you remove it from the loom. Turn the weaves. Release the warps one by one with your fingers. Take 2 warp threads at a time and tie them together around the piece of wood. Try to keep all knots on the reverse. Work your way across the weave, tying off all of the warp threads. Trim all excess wool. Your weave is now ready to hang. I'll leave my raya knots natural, but you can always give them a trim if you prefer. For more weaving inspiration, head on over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment below. See you for more videos soon.